Showing you this tree that fell over right in the road right by Niagara Falls. Well, it looks like Niagara Falls, and I'll show it to you on the other side. Okay, this is the other side that I'm showing you on. The road kind of looks like Niagara Falls now. You can see how it's underwater, and this is the tree right here that fell across the road. On the other side, it doesn't really matter because it's really not open right now. A lot of fun right now. Hey guys, fun time back again. We're out at the park right now, seeing all this stuff from the storm. Knocked over the whole fence. At the soccer field, there ain't nothing left of it. And here's the sign right here. A lot of repairs are in store here.
Yeah. CD, did you drive for golf ball?
No, I got one here.